Perfect.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be installing and reviewing this wig, and this hair is from Mslynn. And here is the box. It's empty right now because the wig was in it, and it has like some extra elastic bands and like a clip. But this is from Mslynn. So this is their 6x13 lace front wig. So it goes in pretty deep if you want like that long middle part, and this is 22 inches. I don't know if you guys can see. Like, I would say this is 22 inches. Sometimes they say 22 when it looks like 18, and then sometimes it looks like a 26, but yeah, this is pretty much a 22. Could be 24, but yeah, it's 22. And this is their transparent lace. So you guys can see it is really, really nice. I was actually surprised because it did come like pretty white or like clear. Usually some transparent laces are like tinted brown, but this one wasn't, and I explained like what I did for that in the video. And this is just like a natural color. It's just called natural color, and it is their body wave hair. So it's not like your average body hair, I would say. It kind of is like in between like soft hair and like kinky hair, but it feels really soft. I don't explain it, but all I did was just wash it after I bleached the knots and let it air dry, and this is basically what the texture looks like. Like, it looks rough, but it's not. Do you guys see? I'm gonna go like this. So that's kind of like what it is. It's like loose body wave, so it technically is a body wave, but it's not like your soft, like deep body wave, if that makes sense. But I do like it. It feels like really natural. Once I straighten it, it should go back to like how soft it is up here. But yeah, that's the only thing about this hair. And it is 150 density. I love 150 density hair because it looks the most natural to me. But I can play around with it, and it just looks like it's growing right out of my scalp. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this hair. So before I get into the video, if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you go ahead and do that right now. And if you guys want to know how I installed this wig, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm already bald. I didn't film this process. I filmed it like a couple times, and it's pretty like self-explanatory from my other videos, and like you can find many videos on how to do this. And you don't have to. So some people don't like to do the wig cap method, and you don't have to. I just want to personally do it, and yeah, this is where we're gonna start from. Don't mind like my kitchen area, the back of it. It's all gonna be covered. So here is the wig right here. So it does have like the stretchy thing in the back, and I cut this part, and the inside is like your typical wig. I actually don't like when they put the combs in because I don't use it. Like, if you have a wig cap, you might not use it, and then like it kind of gets stuck, but most wig companies do this, so it's not just this wig. And all I did was put my foundation like on the inside of it, and I've already plucked it by myself. Let me put it on my head and I'll show you. So this lace is really transparent, like it's not tinted or anything, so you would have to put your foundation shade. I know like some of the transparent laces have like a brown tint to them, and those you could get away with like without putting your foundation shade, but this one you probably should. So yeah, you guys can kind of see like how I plucked it. It's not too much, but you know, just to make it look natural. And I plucked a lot, but like a lot doesn't come out. I don't know, maybe I just like I'm really careful with it, but anyways. I always bring it too far back or too close. I just need to make sure this is perfect. I think this is okay, because I don't want it to be too close. Let me just see. Yeah, I think that should be okay. I'm just gonna first cut the ears out so I can have some space to pull this. later once it's glued onto my head. And now this like method that I've been really liking is to like map out where I want it to be. I used to like cut it first and then like dot it over here, but an easier way is, first let me just make sure it's straight. But an easier way is to get like a brush, any kind of brush. I guess smaller would be better. So there's just like a random brush. I'm gonna get this like dark blue black shade, and just to show you, like this one did not work. This was brown, but I'm just gonna put darker color on top. If I go like that, you're gonna have like a mark over there, and it's not too like harsh or anything, so it's gonna be easy to clean up as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and map out my lines.
Perfect.
Okay, so I'm done with that. And it looks a bit extra, but it's all good. See? Now you know exactly where to put the glue. It's much easier. I'm just gonna darken some spots. That might be a little bit hard to see. We're good. Now we can start gluing. And I've already wiped it and like cleaned it with alcohol beforehand, so do that if you haven't already. So now I'm just gonna cut it into 3. It's just easier for me that way. I'm gonna start with the middle, like I always do. And I've been really liking how I like apply my lace wigs this time, because I'm not touching my hair, so it's not getting ruined or anything. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the back of an eyebrow razor to put the glue on my forehead, and I'm gonna be using Ghost Bond this time. I've been using Bold Hold lately, but I run out, so I'm just gonna use Ghost Bond, and it's still good. Still works. So I think I'm gonna do about 2 to 3 layers of this. And make sure your layers are thin. So lay it down, blow dry, and I'm gonna do this I think about 2 to 3 times. So now that it is fully clear, make sure it's clear with Ghost Bond especially, then you can put your lace and just match it up to the line. Super easy. And you're pretty much good.
Perfect.
Now I'm just going to repeat the same steps on the sides. So I've gone ahead and basically cut the lace. Now I'm just taking like a piece of paper towel and some rubbing alcohol. And I'm just gonna take the black eyeshadow off. So I just have like my foundation on this brush, and I'm just gonna dab a little bit of it, like make sure it's really light. Just on the edge, so we can get that blend. But it's pretty well, but it blends pretty well. I'm not gonna lie, like you guys can see that. Once I have the baby hairs in, it will look like super natural, but you guys can see this. Looks pretty good to me. Now for the baby hairs, this is like the most, I really don't like this part, but you need it most of the time. But I think I'm gonna definitely put a little bit of baby hairs. Let me start with the side ones. So I like to first like brush it out and see where I want it. I think like here. And for my edges, I'm just going to be using the Got To Be, like the black one. That's exactly how I wanted it. I want like big baby hairs for this look, like messy, like big baby hairs. You guys will see what I mean when I'm done. Having a good baby hair day. Sometimes like the baby hairs just don't want to look good. Yesterday's lucky. And I want some over here as well. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing on this side, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and did this side. So this is how the two sides are looking, and for the front, I want it to look like kind of like messy, but I don't know, like not perfect. I don't think that's what I want. I'm just gonna brush them out and see what I feel like doing. The vibes, I don't know. Something like that. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this. This is how it's gonna be. Because I am done playing with these baby hairs. This is what always happens. Okay, now I'm gonna take some of the Murray's beeswax. Taking a little bit, putting that around the edge. And then using my hot comb. Just gonna go through it. This is really like low. This is like really low density, so I like how flat it's laying. And I'm also gonna use my mousse, and this is, I think it's Vital, I don't know. Any mousse works. for a second, but it really doesn't need too much of that. It's already pretty flat. I just want the baby hairs to stay. I'm just gonna wait about 5 to 10 minutes and unwrap it. And that's basically it. I'm not gonna do anything to the hair. I kind of like the natural look. So yeah. So it's been like about 5 or like 7 minutes, I don't know. But I'm gonna take this off. For the reveal. Whoa, that looks so good. I am obsessed. Holy. It looks so nice. Okay. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. Let the hot comb a little bit. Okay, so this is how I'm gonna leave it. I could do like a really nice ponytail with this hair because it is so flat. See? Like, wow, that's pretty flat. Like this kind of situation. I'm just gonna straighten like this part of it. But I kind of like how the ends are. Okay, so I think this is how I'm gonna leave it. I really like this hair, you guys. Oh, that's even better. I really like this hair. So this is like the natural. It's giving me the natural vibes that I was looking for. It's very flat and long. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned a couple of things. And if you did like it, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment below what you guys would like to see next. And with all that being said, I'll see you guys next time.